Asparagus beetles are nasty little critters. As their super creative name suggests, they spend their entire life cycle on and around asparagus. I'll show you what to look for and how to man-cycle them out of your garden. I love walking into my garden in early spring and picking asparagus straight from the patch. This year, I got a little more protein in my diet than I expected when I popped fresh stalks in my mouth. Check it out, tiny caterpillars. If you like your asparagus bitter and a little salty, go ahead and stop the video. If you don't like to eat bugs, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and continue watching. Adult asparagus beetles are pretty obvious, less than a centimeter long with yellow dots over a dark red and black thorax with a black head and antenna. Pretty and unassuming. Well, they're up to no good. Females deposit tiny dark eggs on the most supple of asparagus structures, the fresh stalks that you and I like to eat. If you enjoy eating asparagus, you've probably eaten hundreds of eggs without even realizing it. I know, totally gross. Well, the eggs were formed when adults worked together to make babies. Winky face. Larvae in the form of small dark caterpillars emerge, further damaging your crops. Check these nasty things out. Yeah, harmless caterpillars in appearance, but look what they do to your asparagus ferns. We have a healthy fern on the right and a fern ravaged by asparagus beetle larvae on the left. Ruined. They eventually drop to the ground before pupating. And if you don't know what pupating means, picture a cocoon but from like a miniature horror movie. Adults overwinter in the soil and pop out in early spring, ready to make more babies on your new asparagus. Okay, eradication can take a variety of forms depending on how organic you like to run your garden. 7 dust will do the job, but I wouldn't suggest eating asparagus stalks that have been doused in 7. It'll give you scurvy and possibly a Scottish accent. A more organic approach would be to simply remove all the adults, larvae, and eggs that you see on your plants. It's just fine to completely cut off and remove areas of your asparagus ferns with eggs and larvae and burn them. Stay on top of it early in the growing season and you'll be in good shape. Anyway, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more home and garden DIY. Mancycle you next time.